sorry I didn't do part 2, but this is kind of part 2, but I got the bumper finished, and unless you guys want to see me clean up, sweep up the shitty old mess that I made here on the floor, well, yeah, I'm just going to clean up a bit, and set this up in the corner. There we go. There she be. Sitting right there in the corner. There's my 700R tranny. There's my 350 with my coat sitting on top of it. But, I'm just gonna clean up here a bit. I broke one of my screwdrivers today actually working on this tractor. The screw, it was so seized in that I broke my screwdriver. So, damn you, International. And I didn't really do much today, but maybe in the morning I'm going to be going to the Wreckers, Tass Auto Recycling, and I'm going to give you guys, if I go, I'm going to give you guys a bit of a tour. I'm not promising you shit all, but yeah, I'm just going to throw all this dirt inside. Oh, where the hell's my other broom? There we go. Can you hear that on the radio? Some Rush is playing. I think it's Rush. One of my favorite bands in the whole wide world. Like, might be getting a Ford truck. Don't really want to because I don't like Ford that much, but it's a nice truck. Well, I have kinda got to go.